Here we go, Nino. We're just going to do 1, 2 top, 3, 4 middle, 5, 6 bottom. Contenders. 1, 2 top. And then, same routine, 1, 2, 3 top, 4, 5, 6 bottom. Heritage. Heritage for the blind. 4, 5, 6 bottom. And then, 1 on top, 4 on bottom. Numbers won't match, of course. Third one down. 9. And then 1 to 7 on Bowman Best. We just opened the case. Number 1. Make sure I got it right. Topps Heritage Minor, check. Contenders, 13 football, check. Vending, check. Bowman's Best, check. What's up, the WWE man? Kenny, I haven't done yours, man. Not yet. I'm on order number 4 ends in 475. So if, say you're 450, you're 5 away. We did a lot of group breaks, Kenny, earlier. So I've been working on the singles. Oh yeah, Kenny, I didn't understand your message either. Did you order all the Sons of Anarchy? Did you order all the Sons of Anarchy? You said break season 6, 7. Ship 1, break 1. Okay, never mind, I understand it. I understand it, never mind. Here we go, Nino. And I'm looking at the order right. We're on 4475. Actually, you're only like 3 away because there was group break spots ordered in between that don't count as a break. So you're not too far away, Kenny. You're not too far away. CJ Brachia, go to my website, click the group breaks tab at the top. Go to my website, click the group breaks tab, and there'll be all the group breaks under there available. Oh yeah, where Raffy just put it down. You can click that link above your comment, CJB. Raffy just dropped a link for you. You got a good Walking Dead card, didn't you, Ellie Cat? I forgot what other breaks you got in. There's a fat one in there. Is that the mascot card? Alright, you may want to check these, Nino, when you get them in. I don't think any of these are numbered unless they're chrome colored. And make sure you didn't get any short prints or whatnot. Hey, Riptide. Autograph number 1, Greenville Drive, Anderson Espinoza. There's the blue. Jarrell Cotton, numbered to 99. Woolly Bull. One of those insert redemptions. Oh, it's a quarter card. This card's worth at least a quarter. 4 of 25, Dansby Swanson. Dansby Swanson, striking a pose. That's a genuine quarter, they said. Like you wouldn't have the money to put a... It costs more money to make a fake quarter than it would just get a real one and put it in there. Mark Appel, number to 99. Hornsby. Brevard County Manatees, Cody Medoris. That one's numbered to 25. Congratulations. And base. 13 Contenders. Yeah, Kenny, they need chewing gum. Anything Heritage should have it. Cisco's like, get drunk first. You need courage. Need a lot of drunk people to get in that break. There's going to be some big items for sure. For sure. Oh, that's right. Hit past noon. He is drunk. He's on his 3rd Xanax right now. What is that?
A hedgehog.
Getting his belly rubbed. That's up to you, drunk, if you want to. I don't want anybody to talk you into it, man, and you have buyer remorse afterwards, though, because it is expensive. So don't let the power of your peers persuade you. The power of Christ compels you. But yeah. That was that patch autograph that graded at 9.5, Will. Will can't hear me. I don't know who I'm talking about. But anyway, those are almost impossible to grade 9.5. Rex Burkhead, number to 99. Timothy Wright. Right? Nope, wrong. It's Wright. Wright with a W. Yes, I would take a guess. How many packs have I opened since I started since I started a card store? 24 per box. Mike Glennon. 80? 80 packs? I'm just kidding. I have no clue. I'm like 24 packs per box, so 80 packs? I don't know. Have not even a good guess. Brian Nassib. I have 40,000 videos, right? 35,000 videos. A bunch of them are case breaks. DeAndre, rookie ticket variation. He had an off year, but they'll get it together. One of the best rookies from this year. Joe Flacco. That's his rookie variation. Autograph on card. Probably ready to ship. Robert Woods. Kenny Vaccaro. Stemman Bailey. CJ. Rookie autograph. Gavin Vance. Arian Foster to 99. Tom Brady and Gronk. We'll go vending next. That is true, Jason. You could use your $50 gift card. Knock it right down to $1,400 in a second. Plus, if you want to apply those triple threads that you ordered, I can apply that money towards it if you want. Just let me know what you want to do, Jason. Shoot me an email. Here we go, Nino. Nino. These are just those two gold-looking refractors, but they're not numbered. They're not too special, I don't believe. Andrew Moore. More what? More or less. 250. Tyrell Jenkins. What's up, CJ Sports Cards? How are you doing? How we living? And live in color. Got a gold Jaylene Ortiz. Numbered to 50. 1 of 50. First one ever. Clevenger blue. Numbered to 150. And Mike Clevenger. It's always shipped, CJ Sports Cards. Every box anyone orders is shipped unless you tell me otherwise. I don't even ask. I just ship it. But if you tell me to break it, I will. So, yeah. It'll be shipped sealed unless you tell me otherwise. Box number 1. Check my website. I can't remember, CJ. I don't think I do, though. I think I have 14 finest. You can check my website. All the prices, everything I have in stock's on there. I don't think I have 15, though. I'm pretty sure I got 14. They didn't make 16, obviously. They lost their licensing. So... Thanks, Rafi. ...2006. CJ. 2006. Number to 99, Drew Jackson. We're going to Jackson. Turn a loose a mic. That's cool looking. I swear that looks like that should be numbered. But it's not. John Smoltz. Yoann Moncada. Dansby Swanson. Lucas Giolito. Oh, okay, Ryan, I'll break it, man. Ryan Fogg. It's going to be a while, Ryan. I would take a guess, man. We got a bunch of breaks in front. I think yours just came through. Being a while, I mean like an hour. Not like 4 hours. Maybe less. Brandon Rogers, orange, numbered to 35. Braxton Garrett. AJ Puck. Bryce Harper. AJ Puck. Braxton Garrett, number to 99. I'm sorry, no, that's not number to 99. Lucas Giolito, number to 99, Drew Jackson, Mike Clevenger, number to 50, Jalen Ortiz, Tyrell Jenkins, C.J. Anderson, Kenny Vaccaro, variation DeAndre Hopkins, T. Will Longcard, Timothy Wright, Rex Burkhead to 99, number to 25, Genuine U.S. Quarter, Dansby Swanson, and Anderson Espinoza. Put that there. Thanks as always there, Nino.